So how to install Goodreads app book reviews. So yeah, quite often, especially during holidays, this app goes into the top charts where you can just discover stories that matter to you from readers like you. Just depending like on the reviews, you can just find some really amazing books by browsing personalized recommendation based on books you have read and your favorite genres. See what your friends are reading, write book reviews, and keep track of what you want to read. Goodreads is a free service for book tracking, recommendations, and reviews. Use barcode scanner the next time you're in a bookstore. Add the book in your hands you want to read shelf and browse reviews before buying. So yeah, all of these things, and then just open up, and then you can, I guess you can just sign in with Amazon or with Apple, because I think Goodreads is owned by Amazon. So yeah, then you just go here, and then you can just I guess I already have this, and then you can just connect your Goodreads account, or you can just continue with Amazon. So yeah,